Here is a Polymarket review. Polymarket is accessible on Safari, Chrome, or Google. As you can see, it has different categories on its website. So you can see the trending news, breaking news, as well as new news, and politics news, as well as the sports news. Wherein you will see there the percentage, winning rate, investment rate, and things that you are going to avail when you are political or when you are working for business. So let's say, for example, we are going to sports. As you can see, you will see there the winning games and the games that are streaming live that you can watch. And of course, you have to avail its watch live options for different currencies that you have. And as you can see on the finance options, you will see there the trade options that you can avail or you can join with. So if you wanted to be included on the market options of your country and want to be updated to the markups, you can go ahead and install Polymarket.